मुझे आमतौर पर ऑफिस जाने में देर नहीं लगती। I usually don't get late for office. I usually don't get late for office. मैं आपके काम से पूरी तरह से असंतुष्ट हूं। I am truly dissatisfied with your work. I am truly dissatisfied with your work. कान खोलकर सुन लो। You better listen up. You better listen up. तुम मेरे प्रिय हो। You are dear to me. You are dear to me. मैं जल्दबाजी में यह भूल गया। I forgot it in haste. I forgot it in haste. एक हाथ से ताली नहीं बजती है। It takes two to make quarrel. It takes two to make quarrel. वह वफादार आदमी है। He is stalwart person. He is stalwart person. मैं करवटें बदलता रहा। I kept tossing. I kept tossing. मेरे दोस्त पर मत जाओ। Don't get at my friend. Don't get at my friend. डर के आगे जीत है। Beyond fear lies victory. Beyond fear lies victory. भारी तूफान के कारण मीटिंग रद्द कर दी गई। मीटिंग वॉज कैंसल्ड ड्यू टू हैवी स्टॉर्म। मीटिंग वॉज कैंसल्ड ड्यू टू हैवी स्टॉर्म। याद रखना कि वह झूठा है। कीप इन माइंड दैट ही इज अ लायर। कीप इन माइंड दैट ही इज अ लायर। आप क्या खाना चाहोगे? वॉट वुड यू लाइक टू हैव? वॉट वुड यू लाइक टू हैव? आप कितने बजे आना चाहोगे? एट वॉट टाइम वुड यू लाइक टू कम? एट वॉट टाइम वुड यू लाइक टू कम? आप कहां जाना पसंद करोगे? Where would you like to go? Where would you like to go? वो यहां कब आना चाहेगी? When would she like to come here? When would she like to come here? ऊपर वाले ने चाहा तो हम जल्दी ही मिलेंगे। If God wills, we will meet soon. If God wills, we will meet soon. ऊपर वाले ने चाहा तो सब कुछ अच्छा होगा। If God wills, everything will be all right. If God wills, everything will be all right. ऊपर वाले ने चाहा तो हम अगले साल कार ले लेंगे। If God wills, we will buy a car next year. If God wills, we will buy a car next year. ऊपर वाले ने चाहा तो हमारे पास बहुत पैसा होगा। If God wills, we will have lots of money. If God wills, we will have lots of money. ऊपर वाले ने चाहा तो वो आ जाएगा। If God wills, he will come back. If God wills, he will come back. उन्होंने डॉक्टर बनने के लिए दिन रात मेहनत की। He worked day in day out to become a doctor. He worked day in day out to become a doctor. कभी ना कभी उसे अपने गलती का एहसास होगा। Sooner or later, she will realize her mistake. Sooner or later, she will realize her mistake. मैं इस फैसले को लेकर असहज हूं। I am uneasy about this decision. I am uneasy about this decision. वह एक तमीजदार व्यक्ति लगता है। He seems to be a well-mannered person. He seems to be a well-mannered person. उसने अपने जीवन में बहुत उतार चढ़ाव देखे हैं। She has seen a lot of ups and downs in her life. She has seen a lot of ups and downs in her life. दुनिया ऊपर से अच्छे दिखने वाले लोगों से भरी पड़ी है। The world is full of goody-goody people. The world is full of goody-goody people. यह जाहिर है कि आप थके हुए हैं। It's evident that you are tired. It's evident that you are tired. उन्होंने अपना पूरा जीवन समाज की भलाई के लिए काम किया। He worked her entire life for the well-being of society. He worked her entire life for the well-being of society. क्या ये छुआछूत की बीमारी है? Is it contagious disease? Is it contagious disease? मैंने जो कह दिया, सो कह दिया। What I have said, I have said. What I have said, I have said. कभी अहिंसा का सहारा मत लो। Never resort to non-violence. Never resort to non-violence. बाकी के रुपए कहाँ हैं? Where are the remaining rupees? Where are the remaining rupees? तेरे जैसे लोग मैंने बहुत देखे हैं। I have seen many people like you. I have seen many people like you. प्यार व्यार के चक्कर में मत पड़ो। Don't fall in love and all. Don't fall in love and all. मैं तुम्हारे ताने सुनकर पक चुका हूं। I am fed up with the tantrums. I am fed up with the tantrums. काश तुम चुप रह सकते। I wish you could be silent. I wish you could be silent. काश मैं ये खरीद सकता। I wish I could buy this. I wish I could buy this. काश मैं पैदल चल सकता। I wish I could walk on foot. I wish I could walk on foot. वो तुम्हारी शक्ल भी नहीं देखना चाहेगी। She would even not like to see your face. She would even not like to see your face. मैं उससे बात नहीं करना चाहूंगा. I would not like to talk to him. I would not like to talk to him. मैं मीठा नहीं खाना चाहूंगा. I would not like to eat sweets. I would not like to eat sweets. तुम अपना भेद नहीं खोलना चाहोगे. You would not like to reveal your secret. You would not like to reveal your secret. तुम्हें तो पुलिस वाला होना चाहिए था. You should have been a policeman. You should have been a policeman. उसे तो घर पर होना चाहिए था. He should have been at home. He should have been at home. तुझे तो PM होना चाहिए था. You should have been the PM. You should have been the PM. तुम्हें तो जादूगर होना चाहिए था. You should have been a magician. You should have been a magician. मुझे भी उसके लिए उतना ही बुरा लग रहा है. I am equally feeling bad for him. I am equally feeling bad for him. किसी चीज की जरूरत हो तो बताना. Let me know if you need anything. Let me know if you need anything. तो क्या बात कर रहे थे हम? So, what were we talking about? So, what were we talking about? तुम कितने कठोर दिल इंसान हो. How hard-hearted person you are. How hard-hearted person you are. तुम एक मजाकिया आदमी हो. You are an amusing person. You are an amusing person. मेरा कॉलर छोड़ो. Let go of my collar. Let go of my collar. तुमने मेरी बहुत मदद की है. You have helped me a lot. You have helped me a lot. मुझे ये पहेली सुलझानी है. I have to solve this puzzle. I have to solve this puzzle. This, मैं ये रोज-रोज खाकर थक गया हूं. I am fed up of eating it daily. I am fed up of eating it daily. मैं हमेशा तुम्हारा साथ दूंगा. I will always stand by you. I will always stand by you. तुम कितने साल के हो? How old are you? How old are you? क्या तुमने हाल ही में उसे देखा है? Have you seen him recently? Have you seen him recent? मैं अपना समय काट रहा हूं. I am passing my time. I am passing my time. फिलहाल तुम यहां इंतजार करो. For the time being, you wait here. For the time being, you wait here. तुमसे मिलने कोई आया है. Someone has come to meet you. Someone has come to meet you. तुम्हारे दिल में कुछ तो है. There is something in your heart. There is something in your heart. मैं तुम्हें कुछ बताने वाला हूं. I am going to tell you something. I am going to tell you something. समय मेरे लिए थम सा गया है. The time seems stuck for me. The time seems stuck for me. तुम उसे कैसे जानते हो? How did you come to know her? How did you come to know her? फिर बाद में मत कहना कि तुमने मना कर दिया. Then don't say later that you refused. Then don't say later that you refused. फिर बाद में मत कहना कि और लूंगा. अभी बता दो अगर लेना चाहते हो. Then don't say later that I will take more. Tell now if you want to take. Then don't say later that I will take more. Tell now if you want to take. फिर बाद में मत कहना कि तुमने फोन नहीं किया. Then don't say later that you didn't call. Then don't say later that you didn't call. फिर बाद में मत कहना कि वो आया नहीं. Then don't say later that he didn't come. Then don't say later that he didn't come. फिर बाद में मत कहना कि भूख लग रही है. अभी खा लो. Then don't say later that I am feeling hungry. Eat now. Then don't say later that I am feeling hungry. Eat now. कितना बोलती हो तुम? How much you speak. How much you speak. कितना खाते हो तुम? How much you eat. How much you eat. कितना रोती हो तुम? How much you cry. How much you cry. कितना हंसते हो तुम? How much you laugh. How much you laugh. कहाँ चली गई? Where has she gone? Where has she gone? लोग ऐसे क्यों होते हैं? Why are people so? Why are people so? अब किसकी बारी है? Whose turn is now? Whose turn is now? अब मेरी बारी है. Now it's my turn. Now it's my turn. तुम हमेशा मुझे रुलाते हो? You always make me cry. You always make me cry. ये क्या तरीका है? What's this way? What's this way? अगर मैं ना आऊं तो? If I don't come? If I don't come. मैं तुमसे कभी बात नहीं करूंगी. I will never talk to you. I will never talk to you. क्या मैं एक दिन की छुट्टी ले लूं? Can I take a day off? Can I take a day off? कल मेरी छुट्टी है. Tomorrow is my day off. Tomorrow is my day off. क्या तुम अभी अभी उठी हो? Did you just wake up? Did you just wake up? ये सब क्या है? What is all this? What is all this? वह बहुत चालू है. She is very cunning. She is very cunning. मेरा गला बैठा हुआ है. I have a hoarse voice. I have a hoarse voice. वो मेरी जासूसी कर रही थी. She was spying on me. She was spying on me. मैं तुम्हारे लिए पागल हूं. I'm crazy about you. I'm crazy about you. तुम मेरे लिए बनी हो. You are the one for me. You are the one for me. तुम्हारे दिमाग में ये बात आई कैसे? How did it occur to you? How did it occur to you? सबके अपने अपने विचार होते हैं. Opinion vary from person to person. Opinion vary from person to person. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Nothing as such. Nothing as such. तुम्हारा नंबर मिलेगा. Let me get your phone number. Let me get your phone number. क्या तुम उसकी तरफ हो? Are you in favor of him? Are you in favor of him? कोई नहीं बचेगा. No one will be spared. No one will be spared. कोई नहीं हिलेगा. Nobody will make a move. Nobody will make a move. ये मत सोचना कि तुम में कोई कमी है. Don't think you are any less. Don't think you are any less. मेरा दम घुट रहा है. I'm getting suffocated. I'm getting suffocated. हिम्मत मत हारो. Don't lose your courage. Don't lose your courage. आप देर से क्यों जवाब देते हैं? Why do you respond late? Why do you respond late? तुम मेरा अपमान क्यों करते हो? Why do you insult me? Why do you insult me? आप मुझे चोट क्यों पहुंचाते हैं? Why do you hurt me? Why do you hurt me? आप जल्दी क्यों उठते हैं? Why do you get up early? Why do you get up early? तुम गुस्सा क्यों करते हो? Why do you get angry? Why do you get angry? तुम चुप क्यों रहते हो? Why do you keep silent? Why do you keep silent? ये पानी कहाँ से लीक कर रहा है? Where is this water leaking from? Where is this water leaking from? जाकर अपना काम खत्म करो. Go finish your work. Go finish your work. मैं आपको बुलाने ही वाला था. I was about to call you. I was about to call you. मेरे काम में दखल मत दो. Don't intervene in my job. Don't intervene in my job. वक्त सब कुछ सिखा देता है. Time teaches everything. Time teaches everything. तुम्हारा चेहरा मुझे किसी की याद दिलाता है. Your face reminds me of someone. Your face reminds me of someone. मेरे मामा ने तुम्हें पाला. My maternal uncle brought you up. My maternal uncle brought you up. मैं दिल्ली में पला बड़ा था. I was brought up in Delhi. I was brought up in Delhi. उसने सोचा और सच कर दिया. He thought and made it true. He thought and made it true. मैं सपने साकार कर दूंगा. I will materialize the dreams. I will materialize the dreams. मैं हमेशा तुम्हारा साथ देता हूं. I always stand by you. I always stand by you. मुझे आज ही कुछ पैसों की जरूरत है. I need some money today itself. I need some money today itself. मुझे बस अभी ही उसके घर जाना है. I just want to go to her house now. I just want to go to her house now. उसके ख्याल से मेरा काम अच्छा है. He thinks my work is good. He thinks my work is good. हम उनके सपने पूरे करेंगे. We will fulfill their dreams. We will fulfill their dreams. मुझे इस बार पूरी कोशिश करनी है. I've got to try my best this time. I've got to try my best this time. पूछो क्या पूछना है. Ask what you want to. Ask what you want to. दिखाओ क्या दिखाना है. Show what you want to. Show what you want to. ले लो जो लेना है. Take what you want to. Take what you want to. खरीद लो जो खरीदना है. Buy what you want to. Buy what you want to. वह बहुत संस्कारी है. He is well mannered. He is well mannered. वह बहुत बदतमीज है. He is ill mannered. He is ill mannered. तुम्हें बुरी नजर लग जाएगी. You will get an evil eye. You will get an evil eye. मैंने उसकी वॉट लगा दी. I made him put into dilemma. I made him put into dilemma. नींबू निचोड़ दो. Squeeze the lemon. Squeeze the lemon. मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगता. I don't think so. I don't think so. कभी कभार. Once in a while, जरूरत से ज्यादा. More than enough. More than enough. बस काफी है. That's enough. That's enough. इसके बारे में सोचो. Think about it. Think about it. क्या तुम्हें यकीन है? Are you sure? Are you sure? मैंने उसे एक नजर में पहचान लिया. I recognized her at a glance. I recognized her at a glance. हम सही सलामत घर पहुंच गए. We arrived home safe and sound. We arrived home safe and sound. गरीब होने के बावजूद भी वो अपने बच्चों को पढ़ाता है. In spite of being poor, he educates his children. In spite of being poor, he educates his children. तुम यहां होने के बावजूद भी यहां नहीं हो. In spite of being here, you are not here. In spite of being here, you are not here. इतना लेट होने के बावजूद भी मैं तुमसे मिलने आया. In spite of being so late, I came to meet you. In spite of being so late, I came to meet you. गाड़ी चलाते समय हमेशा सावधान रहो. Always be cautious while driving. Always be cautious while driving. आजकल के नौजवान खुले मिजाज के होते जा रहे हैं. Nowadays, youngsters are becoming more overt. Nowadays, youngsters are becoming more overt. वे हर समय एक दूसरे का विरोध करते हैं. They contradict each other all the time. They contradict each other all the time. क्या हम पहले मिल चुके हैं? Have we ever met before? Have we ever met before? मुझे उसका चेहरा याद नहीं है. I don't remember his face. I don't remember his face. बात को बढ़ाओ मत. Don't elongate the matter. Don't elongate the matter. तुम बात को बढ़ा रहे हो. You are elongating the matter. You are elongating the matter. मैं बात को बढ़ाना नहीं चाहता. I don't want to elongate the matter. I don't want to elongate the matter. बात को बढ़ाने की कोशिश मत करो. Don't try to elongate the matter. Don't try to elongate the matter. बात को क्यों बढ़ा रहे हो? Why are you elongating the matter? Why are you elongating the matter? मैं बस घर पहुंचने ही वाला हूं. I'm just about to reach there. I'm just about to reach there. मैं बस खाना खाने ही वाला हूं. I'm just about to have food. I'm just about to have food. मैं बस उसे कॉल करने ही वाला हूं. I'm just about to call him. I'm just about to call him. मैं बस उससे मिलने ही वाला हूं. I'm just about to meet her. I'm just about to meet her. मैं उसे संभाल लूंगा. I will handle him. I will handle him. इसके लिए तुम्हें भुगतना पड़ेगा. You will have to pay for it. You will have to pay for it. आगे क्या? What next? What next? छोड़ो इसे. Leave alone this matter. Leave alone this matter. अब कुछ नहीं हो सकता. Nothing can be done now. Nothing can be done now. तुम्हारे पास कहने के लिए कुछ नहीं है. You have nothing to say. You have nothing to say. आपको किससे मिलना है? Who do you want to meet? Who do you want to meet? मुझे बार बार कॉल मत करो. Don't call me again and again. Don't call me again and again. मुझे मैनेजर से मिलना है. I want to meet the manager. I want to meet the manager. कितने लोग आए हैं? How many people have come? How many people have come? मैं देखने आया हूं. I have come to see. I have come to see. हम मिलने आए हैं. We have come to meet. We have come to meet. मैं पढ़ने आया हूं. I have come to study. I have come to study. मैं सोने आया हूं. I have come to sleep. I have come to sleep. हम लड़ने आए हैं. We have come to fight. We have come to fight. उसने बात करने से मना कर दिया. She denied to talk. She denied to talk. पापा ने पैसे देने से मना कर दिया. Father denied to give money. Father denied to give money. उसने स्कूल जाने से मना कर दिया. She denied to go to school. She denied to go to school. उसने खाना खाने से मना कर दिया. She denied to eat food. She denied to eat food. उसने शादी करने से मना कर दिया. She denied to marry. She denied to marry. मेरे पैसे 1 साल में खत्म हो जाएंगे. My money will run out in a year. My money will run out in a year. अंधेरा हो गया है. It's got dark. It's got dark. चादर बिछा दो. Spread the bed sheet. Spread the bed sheet. बिस्तर पर चादर बिछा दो. Spread the sheet on the bed. Spread the sheet on the bed. दीवार पर सहारा मत लो. Do not lean against the wall. Do not lean against the wall.